Hey guys, what is up? Day 2 Films here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this combat that I've been waiting for about 2 months. So let's get right into it. So, trouble's coming on right here, so hate unboxing. Ooh, I see it. Ooh. That's nice. So, right now I just got this bat. It's looking good, actually. It's looking good. I got my friend behind camera. Check his channel out, Kian Jake.
How many inches is it?
It's a 28-18.
What's the barrel size?
It looks really big.
What's the barrel size? Is
The barrel size is...
it 2 3/4?
Do they know how to spell my name?
Kianjake. Yeah, I don't think it says actually.
Still looks good.
And it's my favorite color too. Orange. Neon orange is my favorite color, so. Thumbtack. Make it look at me. Thumbnail.
Thumbtack. Okay.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video of this unboxing. And if I get more boxes, I can show you. My dad's coming home from Japan, so we'll show you some candies.